Hey, how you doing, guys, brothers and sisters? How you doing? Welcome back, Stu. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this 2020 Honda CRV all-wheel drive. Alright, yeah. Alright, so it's gonna be the same as 2018, 2019, okay? But I'm gonna do it again just because this is 2020 and for the sake. Alright, so we start the car. Oh, by the way, before I forget, there's two ways. One through here with this guy right here, and the other way is with this guy. Like I said, the same as 2018 and 2019. Okay, so we start the car. We press this guy right here, the info button. Okay, we click it until we select the range, then press enter. Got that guy. If you don't get that at once, but you get it though. Okay, so right there you're gonna press the enter, press it and hold it, and it's gonna take like 10 seconds. By the way, while I wait for this, thank you for subscribe to my channel. If you didn't do it, subscribe now. Okay, back to this. Now you see that message, scroll up until you see that one. Select that one, all do items, and press enter. Reset completed. That's gonna reset all the do items, such as if you set up for, as a reminder, the oil filter, tire rotations, and all that. Okay, but since we did the all do items, it's gonna reset all of them. Okay, that's one way. The other way is through here. You go home, go settings, go vehicle, scroll down, maintenance info, reset, select reset items. Like I said, you have do the 1, 2, 3, 4. You have until 7, but we're only gonna do the oil and filter. Okay, you can pick this one if you want. And that's it. Maintenance information has been reset. Or if you don't want to waste time, just go back to this and press this one. All do items. Reset. Maintenance information has been reset. And this is how you reset the information in this vehicle. This is how you reset the oil life. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, hit the like button. And if you have any questions how to reset this, or any questions, anything related to this vehicle, any information, anything you need to share, put it in the comment box, please. And don't forget the feedback. I need that to improve my channel. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.